Greetings and welcome to Pinball Help. Mike here. Today I'm in lovely Malvern, Arkansas. I was just passing through the town and I came across this interesting place called the Last Quarter Arcade. This place, I just went in there, talked to the owner real quick. It's only been open a couple of months and he's just trying to get the whole vintage retro pinball thing happening in this very small town. So let's take a quick walk through and see what's going on in here. It says $12 all day play. So let's take a look in the Last Quarter Arcade. So a little bit of everything, some pool. Looks like there's even a little stage over there. That's very cool. And nice selection of pinball machines, Getaway, Jurassic Park, Phantom of the Opera, Star Wars, Godzilla. Looks like a Stranger Things.
Xbox is a little weird.
I tried to do that and it kept asking me for code. And it's like,
Yeah, you got to read this serial code and take that out.
That's a very interesting 007 mod. Unusual.
it worked just fine.
I'll see you tomorrow, Bell.
Okay, see you tomorrow.
Man, that is a beautiful Twilight Zone. Look at that. Nice little area there. How long have y'all been open? June. Just since June. And you're trying to get some leagues going and all that too?
Well, like I said, I got to get enough local players. A lot of the guys I'm getting right now, they're coming up from Memphis. They're coming out of Fayetteville, Fort Smith. Like, it's Arkansas, biggest crop of players we have is all Fayetteville, Fort Smith, Russellville.
But you're working on it. You're getting it going.
They're slowly, I mean, it's a 2.5 hour drive, but they're slowly coming down and playing. I know they won't be league players, but I'm getting a lot of guys who are coming in like a couple times a week to practice, and so it'll take time, but they'll build up.
What's the population of Malvern?
I think Malvern is a little over 10,000.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
You know, obviously we're pulling people from Hot Springs, which is a big one. Because
Right.
Hot Springs is only about 20-30 minutes away if you're down there, like off of Main, or
Mhm.
Main, whatever that's called. And then Benton and Bryant's only about 20-30 minutes away too.
Gotcha. I'm gonna walk around and get the whole thing. Nice to see these little places popping up in little small towns. There's if a big town doesn't have an arcade, they'll pull people from that. So there you have it. The Last Quarter Arcade in Malvern, Arkansas, south of Little Rock,